Okay, so members, again, let us see how we get the surface area and the volume of these objects. We have a cuboid, we have a cube, we have a cone, and a sphere. So let us see how we get the volume and then the surface area of these figures. So, to start with, if I start with the cuboid is like a box. So how do we get the volume? The box has the length, the width, and then the height. So, to get the volume, you get L times W times height. Then get the surface area. Now, these ones are going to be, you have this the upper thing, and then also the downer thing. So see that you have this and then this. That's why you are multiplying by 2. So you have this one length times width. They are 2 because this down and then this down. When this side besides it, we have this area will be, because this area will be forming rectangle. So we have this and this and this, giving us h times w. Then also this one, h times w, that's why we are multiplying it by 2. Then we also have this one, the front one, where we have L and then the height. L and the height. And also it's also the other side, this side behind, that's why we also multiply by 2. So that's how we get the surface area. So this is 6. Now this side is separate this. Now this is maybe that, this one is going to be that, then this is, if that is that, then maybe use here 3 units. Now from here, it shows you that this one is not equal to this and is not equal to that. So now putting in the formula, I have 6 minus 4 times 2, and that gives you 48, and volume is always measured in cubic units. When you come to the surface area, now we get A times W. That's what I'm doing here. L times W, then L times H, then 4 times W times H. That's where I substitute into that formula there. Then when we come to the cylinder, a cylinder we only have idea of pi. So if I define now pi as 3.14, it means that's what we are going to use for that constant pi. So from here, always our volume is pi r squared h. So our pi from here, it's always given in the question. If they don't give it to you in the question, you leave the pi in your answer. So here, so they have had this substitute it here. My radius from here up to here is radius, and also from here up to here is radius. So this and this are the same. The height from here up to here is our height. So put it into the formula. That's why I have 3 squared times h, which is 5. Putting it here, that's what I have. Then the surface area. There are 2 surfaces. Okay, we can get the surface area with the curved surface and the total surface area. Now what I'm getting here is the surface area of the whole. How we get it? Is I get the area of this downer circle and the area of this downer circle. Let's do that. The upper thing and downer thing form a circle. So this area and this area, that's why you have 2 of the area of these 2 circles. Then the surface area of the curved surface will be, you know that to get the circumference of the whole thing, it's going to be now our length. So it's going to be 2 pi r circumference, then times this. So we shall get now this plus this, then plus the area of the curved surface. Because that curved surface, you know, if I unfold the cylinder, I'm going to get something like that. So if I put it right, it's going to be like this. That's why now this circumference is what we call 2 pi r, because that's to get the circumference of a circular thing. Then this is our height. That's when because it's now it's going to form a rectangle, that's why I get this times this, get that. So that's how that is coming about. Then if I rise up to pi r, we remain here with r and here with h. Putting everything is there. 2 pi is given, r is 3 plus the height, which is h. And all the surface area is in square centimeters. When you come to a tube now all sides are equal. So a tube is a modified cuboid. So if you modify that with all the length, the width and the height are equal, you get a cube. Its volume is going to be the s still times s times this, but this time around they are equal. You get that if it's 2 units. So if this is 2, this will be 2, this will be 2, this will be 2, every side will be 2. That's why I'm having it there. When we come out surface area of this cube, remember, here we are having for a cube, but we have L times. But because all these are the same, we are going to have L squared, L squared, L squared. Because these and these are the same, the same, the same. So that's why here I'll be having S this is S times S. S times S times S, and they'll give me 3S squared times 2. That will how I'm getting the 6. Then times the side, which is 2. When you square this 2, you get the 4. 4 times 6, you get 24 centimeters cubed squared. When you come now to a sphere is an odd. All those who use marbles, that is also a sphere, a marble. These ones people play with marbles. So marble is of that shape. To get the area, to get the volume, we get 4 thirds, then pi r cubed. So r from the center to this is radius, and then from here up here is also radius, also from here up here is radius, from here up here is a radius. So for it, it's not just the surface, it's the whole shape. That's substituting into the formula. This is there, then that's there, multiplying, that's what we get. Then the surface area of this is 4 pi r squared. Our pi is this, our is that. Substituting into the formula, that's what we get. When you come now to the volume of now, we are now studying a cone. Everyone knows a cone. If you ever had a chance, maybe I think all of you the ice cream. So that shape is a cone where they put some oil. Some people use cups, but if you ever use the cone, this is the shape of a cone. So all those people, most people wear them on birthdays. Those cone-shaped, let me say, hat. The hat they put on there at the birthdays. Those are conical shapes. So if we have a cone now, our problem is always a 3 pi r squared h. So putting, this is always the slanted side. This is called the height. From here up to here is called the height. Then from here up to the center is called radius. And putting here, everything radius is 2. The height is 3. The height here is 3. Sorry for that. My height here, let me change this. My height here, so that my height here is 3. So putting here 3, even this answer I think is going to change a little bit. So from here, if I put, I'm going to be having, this 3 is going to cancel, so I'll be having 3 times, then times 4, which will be 1.2.56. So my height is this, it was 3 from here. Then, if I give you now this, my slanting side is 5, my radius is 2. So this one is okay. This is where we had a mistake from. So here, how do we get the surface area? This thing, its surface area will be the circumference, then times the slanting side, then plus the area of this now a circle. So that pi r is, factorize it out, you get that. Then substituting the slanting side, this one is 5, then the radius is 2. Putting it there, that's the answer we get. So members, that's how we handle the volume and surface area of these figures. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.